Best deals.
1. Strainer pot. Patent-inspired locking strainer lid. Lock it, tilt it, drain it. Never fumble with a separate colander again. Works for pasta, noodles, rice, anything you need to drain. Works on all cooktops. Heavy triple base ensures even heat and prevents burning even on high-power induction. Perfect for students, working professionals, and small households. Quick to heat, easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tawa. From frying eggs to sautéing vegetables or making aloo tikki, enjoy stick-free cooking. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cooker. Uniformly heats base and sides, food and spices do not burn and stick. Needs less oil. Superior food-grade stainless steel inside, stronger, more durable and hygienic. Heavy gauge heat diffusing metal core, spreads heat evenly through base and up the sides. Equipped with sturdy plastic handles that stay cool to the touch. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cooker. Comes with an extra thick body that helps in cooking the food quickly and evenly. The beautiful, durable black finish given by 60 microns thick hard anodizing has two benefits. It makes the pressure cooker absorb heat faster, making it more energy efficient. And your pressure cooker stays looking new for years. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Crusher. The crushed pieces are then held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Additional cloves can also be crushed at this stage before emptying. Rocker is easy to clean under running water but is also dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Containers. Made with high borosilicate glass, a protective silicone sleeve, and BPA-free lids, these containers are durable, toxin-free, and 100% food safe. They are microwave, oven, without lid and sleeve, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them perfect for cooking, reheating, and storing meals. The set includes 370 ml, 600 ml, and 1000 ml containers. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Puttu maker. Is specially crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. Made from premium grade stainless steel, this Chiritta maker is rust resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Kadai. Uni-body one-piece design free of any screws or weld joints. It can be used for deep frying, roasting, baking. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with 2 canvas grips for easy handling. Season the kadai before use to give it a non-stick property and prevent the food from sticking in the cast iron kadai. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tadka pan. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. The sturdy wood handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, offering safe and convenient handling while cooking. Crafted from high-quality iron. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dustbin. Made from high-quality, sturdy, and unbreakable plastic that ensures long life and reliable everyday use. Its robust design and attractive colors match any ambience and make it ideal for both office and home. Its creative design and smooth pedals and swings make it a hassle-free experience. Dustbin's lids are sturdily made with the highest grade plastic that prevents odor from escaping. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Jar. Uniquely designed with a see-through surface to check supply levels of the items. Made up of food-grade stainless steel which keeps your content fresh for use, with its specialized see-through glossy, wide-mouth container, where you can track your cooking essentials as well as check supply levels of food through containers. The modern design see-through canister container is perfect for your beautiful home and kitchen. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Griddle. Prepare dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, uttapam, omelets, paratha and more with this all-in-one appliance, perfect for your daily home cooking needs. Extra wide surface of dosa maker electric automatic allows you to prepare large crepes, pancakes, chilla, uttapam, and more with ease, prevents sticking and requires less oil. Customize heat settings for different recipes with variable temperature control for precise and consistent results. Smooth non-stick surface makes cooking hassle-free and cleaning quick with just a wipe. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Container. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and easy maintenance for long-term use. Features a secure, airtight steel lid that locks in freshness and prevents moisture, contaminants, and odors from affecting your stored items. The sleek and space-efficient capsule shape allows for easy stacking and organization. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Tawa. No enamel, no chemical coating on inner or outer surface. Pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Regular seasoning creates a chemical-free natural non-stick surface for low-oil cooking. Uni-body, one-piece design with easy pouring lips. Free of any screws or weld joints. High-quality cast material heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. This frying pan is made from high-quality iron ore and is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, so it's ready to use right out of the box. The optimum base thickness allows for superior heat retention, making it perfect for searing, sautéing, simmering, braising, and baking. Plus, the oven-friendly design can withstand temperatures up to 180 degrees. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who want both delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Citrus Juicer. Enjoy fresh juice every morning. The 180W copper motor uses less energy and is quieter than a traditional juicer machine, perfect for busy moms. Juice maker comes with cones for oranges, lemons, and pomegranates, making it easy to switch between fruits and ensure every juice is packed with nutrients. Simply plug in, press down the ergonomic handle, and enjoy a full glass of juice in less than 3 minutes. Busy moms will love the dishwasher-safe parts for quick and easy cleaning. Made from BPA-free plastic and 304 stainless steel, this orange juice maker ensures high hygiene standards and long-lasting durability. Includes 2 pulp filters for smooth, delicious juice every time. Operating at just 73 decibels, this fruit juicer machine is as quiet as an office, allowing for peaceful juicing. The drip stop spout and 500 ml container prevent messes, making it reliable for daily use. Enjoy effortless juicing of oranges, mosambi, lemons, and more with the Philips Citrus Press. Efficient two-way rotation extracts more juice from every citrus fruit with minimal effort. Adjust the pulp level to enjoy your juice exactly the way you like it. Easily monitor the juice level and prevent overflow while preparing fresh citrus juice. Lightweight design with removable parts for quick cleaning and convenient everyday use. Made with high-quality plastic and a stainless steel blade for long-lasting performance. For spotless results, tip up spout to ensure no spilling, no mess. Even use it directly at your breakfast table. Simply choose how pulpy you want your juice, easily adjust the amount of fruit pulp by turning the jug within the pulp scale. No additional buttons, easy handling by simply pressing down the fruit to start and lifting it off to stop. Very handy for precise dosage for any recipe, like fruit cocktails, can be disassembled with a few quick steps before putting it into the dishwasher. Easy handling by simply pressing down the fruit to start and lifting it off to stop. For spotless results, tip up spout to ensure no spilling, no mess. Even use it directly at your breakfast table. For spotless results, tip up spout to ensure no spilling, no mess. Even use it directly at your breakfast table. Simply choose how pulpy you want your juice, easily adjust the amount of fruit pulp by turning the jug within the pulp scale. Product link is given in the 15th link.